Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I will show you how camera pro mode looks on the smartphone and what exactly you can find here. So let's open our camera and then simply switch for the pro mode. You can find it right here on the right side. So as you can see, let's focus on this bar. So here we got the first option, and it's called the ISO. So basically it is the ISO value can be determined automatically by the light meter by tapping here, but also we can change the value manually like that. And we have to remember that the higher ISO will make our camera more sensitivity to light. So if you are in the dark scenario and you want to get the bright photo, we have to increase the ISO. But of course it will bring more digital noise into our image, so you have to use it, but very carefully. Next we got here the white balance. It's right here. We can set it up also as automatically, but we can change it manually from 2300 to 7500. And the white balance will present in incandescent, daylight, fluorescent, cloudy. So as you can see, it changed. I will show you like that, so just take a look how it looks when you switch it. And as I said, we can go automatically. And here we got the shutter speed, so we can automatically, the automatic shutter speed is determined the camera light meter, right? So when we select shutter like for 2 seconds, we'll be able to get more light to our sensor, and with that the photo will be much brighter. So it's very useful when you are taking the night photos. Here we got the EV, but it's not available when you are using the shutter speed manually, so you have to get it on auto, and after that you can change the EV. And the last one, we got the focus. So here we got the autofocus, and this option is it can be also set manually or automatically, but with the greater focus value we select on the slider, the farther from the lens the focus now will be. So I'll just take a look. It will be the example. So here we got something like that, and just take a look. So right now when I take it far away from me, it will be on the focus, but when I take it to this value, I have to take it much closer, as you can see, and after that it will be in the focus. Take a look. And that's how it looks. So there we got the bottom options. Here we can also change the picture quality from RAW, JPG. Here we can also get our settings. We can save it. Here we got the timer of the photo. Here we can also change the aspect ratio for the full screen, for example. Here we got the focus peaking, and of course we can also able to open the other settings. And that's it. That's how the pro mode looks on the smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.